Let me ask you a question. If someone offers you a car and says, "Don't worry, it's only a small monthly payment," would you feel comfortable buying it? Most people would say yes. But what if I told you that this exact sentence is the reason millions of people stay broke, stressed, and stuck financially? Today, we're talking about the car payment trap nobody talks about, and how it quietly destroys your money without you even noticing. Here's the problem. People don't buy cars based on the price of the car. They buy cars based on the monthly payment. As long as the payment feels affordable, they assume the deal is good. But focusing only on the monthly payment is the biggest financial mistake you can make when buying a car. Because a lower monthly payment does not mean a cheaper car. It usually means you're paying for a longer time, and paying way more in the end. Dealers and lenders are experts at one thing: getting you to ignore the total cost. They stretch the loan longer and longer. 5 years, 6 years, 7 years. Yes, the payment goes down. But the interest goes up, and the total amount you pay explodes. You walk out thinking you got a deal, when in reality, you just agreed to overpay for years. That's the trap. Let's make this simple. You buy a car and pay a monthly payment for 5 years. At the end, you realize you didn't just pay for the car. You paid for interest, fees, depreciation, and here's the worst part. While you're still paying for the car itself is losing value every single day. So you're paying more for something worth less. Car payments don't just affect your bank account. They affect your choices. When a big part of your income goes to a car, you can't save properly, you can't invest, you feel stressed every month, you delay important life goals, and all of that, for something that sits parked most of the day. A car is supposed to give you freedom, but debt turns it into a financial cage. There's also a psychological trick happening. When you pay monthly, the pain feels smaller. It doesn't feel like a big purchase. But small pain repeated every month is still pain. And over time, it adds up to a massive financial loss. You're not paying less, you're just paying slower. So how do you escape this? First, always look at the total cost, not the monthly payment. Second, buy less car than you can afford. A cheaper car gives you flexibility, peace, and options. Third, if you must finance, choose the shortest loan possible, even if the payment is higher. A higher payment for a shorter time is better than a comfortable payment for years. Here's the truth most people never hear. Cars are tools, not investments. They go down in value, not up. The real flex isn't driving an expensive car. The real flex is having no payments, no stress, and full control over your money. Before you sign your next car deal, ask yourself, am I buying a car? Or am I buying a financial problem? Because once you see the car payment trap, you can never unsee it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more. Bye.